Hey there! Imagine having your own little copywriting factory that churns out sales pages whenever you need them. How cool would that be? I've got to tell you, this new AI platform is absolutely mind-blowing. I just can't help but share it with you. It's called FunnelXAi, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. FunnelXAi is a cool new online platform where you can whip up professionally designed sales pages and top-notch sales letters in just minutes. Discover the compelling advantages of FunnelXAi that you simply can't afford to miss. This tool is perfect for any industry or niche market, and it's super easy to use even if you're a total beginner. You can sell digital products and keep all the profits. With powerful AI, you can whip up a sales page in no time and create a thank you page with just a few clicks. Plus, it helps you dominate search engines with SEO-optimized pages. The user-friendly sales page editor lets you customize everything to your liking. You can target unlimited niches and markets with ease thanks to the newbie-friendly dashboard. Whether you're selling info products like ebooks, videos, courses, or even software, plugins, and apps, this tool's got you covered. It's great for PLR or resale rights products too. Need affiliate promotion landing pages? No problem. Promote workshops, webinars, or any events effortlessly. Since it's cloud-based, you can use it anywhere there's internet access. You can upload existing products to sell them right away. It comes with a commercial business license, so you're ready to go from day one, and step-by-step training is included too. With agency rights thrown in as well as hosting for your pages, you'll be up and running instantly. And there's so much more waiting for you. I know it sounds unbelievable, so you've just got to check it out for yourself. Just so you know, you don't need any copywriting skills. You just tap into the power of AI to whip up original sales pages from scratch. They're running a special launch deal at the moment, but the price is going to go up soon. So I totally suggest you check it out today and snag your access to everything with this awesome deal. There's no better time than now to dive into this business. Seriously, don't wait around, hit the link below and grab FunnelXAi today.